Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you how to find out the area and the height and the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Everything about equilateral triangle today I will tell you. Okay, so what is the meaning of equilateral triangle? First of all, let us know. If the three sides of a triangle are equal, then it is called an equilateral triangle. Or if the three angles of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is said to be equilateral triangle. And if the triangle is equilateral, so each angle must be equal to 60 degree because the sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So either each angle will be 60 degree, then it is called equilateral triangle, or all the three sides will be equal. Anything. Okay. So see here, if the side of the equilateral triangle is given, so how to find out the area of the equilateral triangle, how to find out the perimeter of the equilateral triangle, and how to find out the height of the equilateral triangle, how to find out the area of the equilateral triangle if height is given. So simply I am deriving the formula. It will take 1 to 2 minutes only. Then after that I will give you some examples. Okay. So see here, this is an equilateral triangle. So A, B, C, and draw a perpendicular. So let each side of the equilateral triangle be small a. So this will divide the base. So this will become a by 2 and this will become a by 2. So how to find out the height? So how to find out the height of the equilateral triangle? So apply the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the formula for Pythagoras theorem? How to find out your Pythagoras theorem is h square is equal to p square plus b square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is the perpendicular, this is the base, this is the hypotenuse. Okay. So your hypotenuse is a and the base is a by 2 and you want to find out perpendicular. That means you want to find out p square. P square is equal to h square minus b square. H square minus b square. So p is equal to root over of this one. Clear? T square is equal to this one. P is equal to square root of this one. And what is h? Hypotenuse. It is a. So a square minus b. What is base? Base is a by 2. A by 2 square. That means a square by 4. Square root of this one. So taking LCM, 4a square minus a square. 3a square. So 3a square by 4 root over. It is equal to root 3. Square root of 3 is root 3. And square root of 4 is 2. And square root of a square is a. Clear? So height is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. What is a side? So root 3 by 2 into side. Height is, we have got this one. Clear? Now, how to find out the area? What is the formula for area? I have told you half base into height. Half base, here base is a and height is root 3 by 2a. Okay? So, root 3, 2 into 2 it is 4 and a into 8 is a square. A square means root 3 by 4 side square. So root 3 by 4 side square. So this formula is over. And what is the perimeter? Sum of three sides. That means a plus a plus a. 3a. So 3 into side. Okay. So this formula is over. Now what is the area of the triangle if height is given? That means this is the relationship between area and height. Area and height. So see here. From the known formula, I will find out. Here, I have to find out the relationship between area and height. Here, height is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. Side means a. And area is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. Clear? So from here, we can find out the value of a. So what is the value of a? Take 2 to this side. So a is equal to 2h by root 3. 2h by root 3. So put the value of a here. It will be root 3 by 4 into a square. A square means square of this one. So 2 square it is 4. H square divided by root 3 square is 3. Okay. So 4 cancel out. These two 4 cancel out. And root 3 cancel out. It will become 1 by root 3 into h square. That means 1 by root 3 height square. 1 by root 3 height square. Okay, so if you remember these formulas, so you can do the problems directly. Suppose I will give you an example. If side of the equilateral triangle is 8 centimeter, so what is the area of the equilateral triangle? For the formula, directly you should apply root 3 by 4 into side square. That means 8 into 8. 8 square means 8 into 8. So 4, 8 cancel out. So remain 2. So 8 to the 16. So 16 root 3 square centimeter. Your area is over. Then perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 3 into side. So 3 into 8 is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay. Then what is the height of the equilateral triangle? Height is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. Your side is 8. So 2, 8 cancel out. It will become 4, 4 root 3. So it will become 4 root 3 centimeter. Okay. So in this way, if height is given, then you can find out the area 1 by root 3 height square. You can apply directly. You should remember this formula. And these are the 4 formulas related to equilateral triangle. Okay. So the last one is very important. The relations between height and equilateral area of the equilateral triangle. Okay. So you should remember these 4 formulas, and I will give you some questions in the description. Please do the problems. I will give you 3 to 4 questions on this formula, 3 to 4 questions on this formula, 3 to 4 questions on this formula, and so on. Okay, so I will give you 3 to 4 questions on each formula. Okay, so please do it regularly. Do it so that I will give you regularly. Okay, so thank you for watching my classes. So have a good day.